Well, I finally did it. I busted a nut. Yeah, that's right. I broke my Caddx Walnut. This little camera has been my little crash and bash camera. It's been through a lot, and I finally did it in. The DVR footage is all I have left. The file became corrupt on the Walnut, so I don't actually have the crash footage itself, but this has been my go-to. I put it on the iFlight Nazgul V2. It's a good little thing to practice and learn on, and BAM! Whacked right into this. And if we put it into slow motion, you can see parts flying, the camera flying. The odd thing is it was actually still recording when it was on the ground. So I thought the camera was okay. I just broke the ND filter, but after I got it home, the camera would not turn on. So yeah, I haven't had much luck with it, but since I liked this camera so much and it's such a great little camera for the price, I decided to go ahead and buy another one. So I'm going to show you a little bit of flight footage from my new Caddx Walnut. We're just going to go out and test it out, see how she does. Get some speed, blow off some steam, and have some fun. Enjoy the video.
Get down in the car, one time give it all. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this Russell, yeah, we hustle, but the oh my so yeah, we hustle, but the oh my what is my guys? Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this Russell, yeah, we hustle, but the oh my what am I saying? DJI, with I fucked up this Russell, yeah, we hustle, but the oh my know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Get down in the car, one time give it all.